In this video, I'll go over 4 reasons why you need to be doing LinkedIn ads in 2020, 2021, and beyond. So let's jump right in.
So LinkedIn is the best place to reach the C-suite, managers of medium to large companies, and decision makers in a variety of industries. In fact, if you're trying to reach anyone from a larger organization, there's no better and more scalable way to get their attention than with LinkedIn ads. Let's be clear, LinkedIn is massively underrated still, and this offers us a massive opportunity. So who exactly is on LinkedIn? According to the latest stats from LinkedIn, their platform is widely used by the C-suite, high earners, and decision makers. Sounds good, right? So some quick up-to-date stats. 700 million users, 63 million senior level decision makers, 10 million C-level executives, 41% of millionaires use LinkedIn, 6 million IT decision makers, 3 million MBA graduates, 80% of B2B leads come from LinkedIn. Compare that to 13% on Twitter and 7% on Facebook. So if you're trying to reach the HR directors in a company of 500 employees, you can reach them on LinkedIn. Or the founder of a SaaS company that just got Series A funding. Or the CTO, CFO, CMO, and even the CEO of any company from small all the way up to the Fortune 500. Yeah, they're on LinkedIn. Really, it's a magical place. That's why I have an image of unicorn and rainbows on my website. Okay, I love unicorns and rainbows. Reason number 2, the targeting options are incredible. Targeting on LinkedIn is so laser sharp that we know that every single person who clicks on our ad is exactly who we want clicking and opting into our email sequences and remarketing campaigns. With LinkedIn, we can target by job title, company size, industry, skills, interests, and more. Think about it. Imagine if you're the founder of an HR SaaS company and you need to target HR directors, or you're a consultant and you need to target the C-suite. Well, with LinkedIn, we can literally focus our targeting on just HR directors or CMOs, CTOs, CEOs, so we know every single person who clicks has this job title and is from a specific type of sized company. LinkedIn's data on what people do for work is unbeatable. People generally keep their LinkedIn profiles up to date, with most people updating their profiles regularly, especially if they get a promotion, change their job or career. It also knows things such as what company you work for, what size that company is, and from what industry. If you've been using Facebook ads, I can see your jaw dropping right now. The lower quality leads from Facebook is really demoralizing at times for B2B companies or freelancers. And with LinkedIn, we can fill our sales pipeline with just VIP style prospects that we deserve. Other ways you can target are by groups, skills, job function, and interests. We can layer these options on one another to make different targeting options. Really, this is why I love LinkedIn. Reason number 3, LinkedIn is scalable. Generally speaking, there are roughly only 3% of any given market who are ready to buy now. These people are problem and solution aware, and you can best reach them on search-based platforms such as Google. But if you want to reach everyone else, and especially the next 47% of people who are problem aware but not solution aware, then you have to go to a social platform such as TikTok, Facebook, or LinkedIn. To show this with an example, there are some people who know they are overweight, the problem, and think the solution is signing up to the gym. These people will be searching for local gyms to sign up to, so some Google ads could be really useful here. But the remaining market is not solutionware, so they know they are overweight, but they are not yet sure if they should join the gym or get a personal trainer. These people can be found on social media. As social media, we can target people who are showing interest or engagement in certain websites, blogs, and social posts, and infer that they may be interested in our service or product if we put it in front of them and convince them that this is the solution to their problem. It's kind of like phishing. So basically, if you want to scale and reach the problem aware but not solution aware, or even the people who do not even realize they have a problem, yet they do, which together is like 90% of any given market, then a social platform is your answer, like LinkedIn. If your target audience is Gen Z, then go to TikTok. If it's SMEs or B2C, Facebook will do the trick. But if it is the C-suite founders, decision makers from medium to large companies, then there's no better place than LinkedIn. Reason number 4, the future is bright for LinkedIn. LinkedIn has come a long way over the past couple of years. The number of people joining the platform is exploding, the amount of time they spend on it is also growing, although compared to Facebook is still extremely low, and it's bringing out a bunch of new tools for advertisers to reach prospects with. The most exciting thing LinkedIn released this year was greater remarketing capabilities for both video and lead gen forms. Live video and more recently LinkedIn Stories offers us a great way to get massive reach with our organic strategies. In fact, LinkedIn has a Robinhood algorithm which rewards new content creators with further reach, and things on LinkedIn can go viral much more easily than other platforms such as Instagram or Facebook. Whereas Facebook has made everyone pay to play, LinkedIn still rewards its users with massive reach, kind of like Facebook 2012. Will this last? Probably not, but right now is a good time to get on LinkedIn and reach massive audiences with your content. Also, with the fact that other platforms such as Google and Facebook have rising costs, LinkedIn's higher costs are becoming less of a thing, especially if you compare it to conversion rates down the funnel, which are on average higher, as well as the quality of leads and the deal sizes that happen on the platform. Long story short, I love LinkedIn. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button and the bell to get notified when I release new content, which I'll be doing every single week. And in the meantime, check out the other videos about LinkedIn from my LinkedIn series here.